In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock market trend analysis trading system in TradingView Pro. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for any stock or market you want to analyze. This works best when your chart is already set up in a layout you like with your preferred time frame selected, so you can immediately see how the trend analysis tool affects your view. Once your chart is open, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the top toolbar, above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its technical tools and community scripts, and it is exactly where we'll find the Stock Market Trend Analysis Trading System. After you click Indicators, a new window will pop up. At the top of this window, you will see a search box. Click directly inside that search box so you can type. This search bar is the fastest way to locate specific indicators instead of scrolling through long lists and categories. Now, in that search box, carefully type the phrase Stock Market Trend Analysis Trading System. Make sure you spell it correctly so TradingView can find the exact script you are looking for. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter and show matching results below the search bar. When you see Stock Market Trend Analysis Trading System in the list of results, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, the system will be added directly to your current chart. Give it a second to load, and you should start noticing new lines, signals, or overlays that represent the trend analysis logic built into that system. At this point, take a moment to look at how it appears on your chart. You can hover over the indicator name in the chart's top left corner to access settings if you want to adjust colors, styles, or visibility. Customizing it can help you see the trend more clearly, especially if your chart already has other indicators. If you are not on TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock the full experience, including more indicators per chart and advanced tools, check out the affiliate link I've placed in the video description. Using that link, you can upgrade to TradingView Pro and follow along with exactly the same setup I'm using. That's all you need to do to add the Stock Market Trend Analysis Trading System in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, experiment with the settings, and integrate it into your own trading strategy.